Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell. Today we are back with another BlindShell Classic 2 tutorial, and this time we're taking a look at the App Catalog. So what exactly is the App Catalog? Well, the App Catalog is basically like an app store, or more specifically, it's a place where you can go to download new applications. So let's jump into it and I'll explain further. As always, we need to navigate to it, and in order to do that, I'm going to first press down on the directional pad here.
Call 1 of 7.
That jumps me into our main menu. Now I'm going to go down to Applications.
Messages, 2 contacts, Applications, 4 of 7.
There's Applications. Now I'm going to press OK. That's the second button down on the left, and it has a large green circle.
Internet browser, 1 of 8.
Now the App Catalog is all the way at the end of the list. It's the last item on the list. So it's number 8 in a list of 8 items. So I could just keep pressing down on the directional pad to get all the way down to the bottom of the list. I could even press up to jump right to the last item on the list. That would be super easy, but there's still a third way to get to the App Catalog in this menu. I can simply press the number 8. Because I know it's the 8th item in the list, I can just press the number 8
App Catalog, 8 of 8.
to jump directly to that. It's kind of a shortcut, and that works in every single menu. Okay, we're going to press OK on this to get into the App Catalog.
Browse Catalog, 1 of 4.
So, Browse Catalog is the first item in the App Catalog menu here. We're going to press down to see what the other items are.
Installed packages, 2 of 4.
Install packages, and packages basically just refers to the different apps.
Update, 3 of 4.
Update, we can update the apps that we already have.
Catalog settings, 4 of 4.
And then settings. Let's jump into there real quick just to look at those.
Automatic updates, 1 of 3.
We can set this to automatically update if we want. I have mine set that way. I think that's an easy way to have it set.
Notifications about application updates, 2 of 3.
So you can choose whether to receive notifications about updates.
Notifications about new applications, 3 of 3.
Or receive notifications about new applications. So when the BlindShell team adds a new application to the App Catalog, you'll get a notification about that if you have this turned on. So let's go back.
Catalog settings, 4 of 4.
And we'll go back to the
Browse Catalog,
first
1 of 4.
item, which is Browse Catalog. Let's click OK.
Recommended packages, 1 of 4.
So the first section in this little menu is recommended packages. So it's just the apps that the BlindShell team recommends for you.
Search, 2 of 4.
If you know of a certain specific application you want to install, you can search to see if it's available.
Recently added, 3 of 4.
This section is all the recently added applications.
All packages, 4 of 4.
Or you can just go start to finish and go through all the different packages.
Recently added, 3 of 4.
Now let's jump into the recently added section here, and we'll go through the process of installing a package.
FoxyWeb, September 10th, 2021, 1 of 10.
So this is a list of all the different applications that have recently been added.
Skype Lite, September 2nd, 2021, 2 of 10.
We'll just go through and pick one of these.
Facebook Messenger, September 2nd, 2021, 3 of 10.
Here we go. We'll grab Facebook Messenger. Let's click OK on that one.
Install package, 1 of 2.
So 2 options here. The first one is to install the package.
Information about package, 2 of 2.
And information about package. Let's click on that to see what it says.
Description, stay in touch with your friends on Facebook Messenger, 1 of 3.
So description of the app.
Version, 5400121211, 2 of 3.
The app version.
Category, communication, 3 of 3.
And the category that it's in. So let's go back.
Information about package, 2 of 2. Install package, 1 of 2.
And let's go ahead and install this package. I'm going to click OK on Install Package.
Downloading. 26% downloaded.
Tells us that it's downloading and gives us an update on
61% downloaded.
percentage.
Download completed. Installing.
So that download was very quick. I am over.
Installation was successful. Run application. 1 of 3.
So that download and that installation was very fast. I am connected over Wi-Fi right now. So run application. If I wanted to go ahead and run this one, I could from here.
Uninstall package. 2 of 3.
I can uninstall it if I want to.
Information about package. 3 of 3.
And then the information once again. Now that we've installed Facebook Messenger, let's go try and find it.
Call. 1 of 7.
We're going to go back to our main menu. We want to go to Applications, which is number 4.
Applications. 4 of 7.
Click OK.
Internet browser. 1 of 8.
And then it said it was Communications, so let's go to Communications.
Tools. 2 of 8. Communication. 3 of 8.
There it is, and let's click OK.
Email. 1 of 3. Facebook Messenger. 2 of 3.
And there's Facebook Messenger. We have the app installed on the phone now. Really, really cool.
Log in with your phone number or Facebook account.
Okay, I'm not going to do that right now, but that's really cool.
Facebook Messenger. 2 of 3.
So we're back in the catalog menu, the app catalog menu. I'm going to go back into Browse Catalog.
Recommended packages. 1 of 4.
Let's go into Recommended Packages this time.
All categories. 1 of 7.
So this is something else I wanted to point out, is that you can search for new applications by categories. So this is all the categories here, but if I click down,
Books. 2 of 7.
now we can search through the books.
Communication. 3 of 7.
Here's communications, that Facebook Messenger would have been in here.
Games. 4 of 7.
Games. So you see that we have several different categories that we can search for applications through.
5:14 p.m.
So that is the new app catalog. Really cool addition to the BlindShell Classic 2. A great way to expand the usage of your phone by installing new apps as they become available. And if you would like to learn more about what your BlindShell Classic 2 can do, definitely check out our YouTube channel to view more of our tutorial videos. And if you'd like to learn how you can get a BlindShell Classic 2 for your very own, visit our website, www.blindshell.com.